not paying the maintenance, Lordship. Last occasion, the court directed to pay 10,000 per month. 3 months they have paid. After that, they stopped paying anything.
Have you filed your affidavit of asset?
They have also filed. I have a son, Lordship.
No, you have also filed your affidavit of asset previously. Filed later.
Last occasion, it is filed that there is an application pending. Your Lordship was pleased to direct it.
Oh, this application is for violation of the order of court. You have to pay whatever are the dues, and you can file an application for modification of our order, but the order stands and you have to comply. As of date, you have to comply with the order. Otherwise, we'll send you to jail if you don't have assets.
Possible for me to
We can grant you a. How are you now? You are not well. Very recovering. Very good.
Lordship, I'm paying for short.
No short passable. No applications. No time. You are for the petitioner.
Respondent.
Respondent.
Opposition.
Yes.
The reply.
What is your reply?
Reply I have sub, Lordship. The brief has not come, Lordship.
No. Your problem. We'll hear out what is the application for?
Lordship, they are not paying the maintenance, Lordship. Last occasion, the court directed to pay 10,000 per month. 3 months they have paid. After that, they stopped paying anything.
Have you filed your affidavit of assets?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed. They have also filed. I have a son, Lordship.
No, you have also filed your affidavit of asset previously. So why this affidavit in operation filed later?
Last occasion, it is filed that there is an application pending. Your Lordship was pleased to direct it.
Oh, this application is for violation of the order of court.
Yes, Lordship. There was an order to pay 10,000 per month to the wife and the son.
They are not paying.
Only 3 months they have paid. After that, they have.
As well as my affidavit of asset, my lord, I have already stated I am not in a position to pay that much of money, but I am paying, my lord. I am paying.
No, but the difficulty is there was an order of the court. You have not asked for modification of that or recall of that. So still the order stands. You have to comply. Otherwise, we'll attach your property. We'll attach your salary. Your salary. What do you do?
My lord, just private tuition for.
Private tuition. What is your income? Disclosed income. What is your disclosed income?
He is a B engineer, Lordship.
In your affidavit in opposition, what did you disclose as your income?
I don't have any asset, my lord. I don't have any.
At present, your monthly income is not more than 3,000 per month.
My lord.
No, there is no application. You have to pay whatever are the dues, and you can file an application for modification of our order, but the order stands and you have to comply. As of date, you have to comply with the order. Otherwise, we'll send you to jail if you don't have assets.
Possible for me to.
We can grant you a limited time. I mean, but then you'll be imprisoned. No other option. Why didn't you ask for modification of that order at the time of hearing of when was the order passed? Modification, the alimony order. What was the date? On 19th of April 2022.
And at that time, I was not appointed as a lawyer, my lord. Later on, I'll appointed and.
No, it's not your issue, your client's issue.
Yes, my lord.
But your client was represented by counsel, and upon a contested hearing, this was directed.
Yes, my lord.
No, then we'll send you to civil imprisonment if you can't pay. We'll give you a fortnight's time to pay up whatever are the dues. And in the meantime, you can file an application for modification of that previous order also.
In both of my affidavit in opposition and asset, I already said that I don't have any capacity to pay. Kindly that thing, my.
No, in the absence of any modification application, we cannot do anything in that figure. That order has attained finality. It was a 2022 order, and you have paid for some months.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What do you say?
Lordship, I have a son, Lordship. He's 17 years old, Lordship.
What does he do? Studies, obviously.
He studies, Lordship. I have also no income. He's a B engineer, Lordship.
We'll give you a fortnight's time, Ms. Banerjee, if you can't comply, and then we'll take up we'll adjourn it for a fortnight. When the matter is moved, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks an adjournment to file reply. Next para. Upon query of court, learned counsel appearing for the opposite party, husband, submits that the husband, even as per his disclosed income and affidavit of asset, has a meager income to the tune of rupees 3,000 per month from imparting private tuition. Next para, as such, it is not possible for the husband to meet the alimony amount directed by this court. Next para, upon hearing learned counsel, we find that by the order dated April 19, 2022, a coordinate bench had directed, upon hearing both sides, to upon hearing both sides, the husband to pay alimony to the tune of rupees 10,000 per month. Although for 3 months, such order was complied with, thereafter the husband faltered in doing so. Next para, since till date there is no application for modification of the order dated April 19, 2022, directing the husband to pay rupees 10,000 per month, comma, nor is there any further challenge to the same, comma, the said order has attained finality as of today, full stop. Next para, hence, comma, the opposite party husband is duty bound to pay the arrears of alimony in terms of the order dated April 19, 2022, in addition to current alimony to the same tune. Full stop. Next para, unless such payment is made, comma, the opposite party husband shall have to face consequences of law. Full stop. As a last chance to the husband to clear off his arrears in terms of the order dated April 19, 2022, comma, the matter is postponed for a fortnight and shall next be listed on January 27, 2025 under the same heading, full stop. The appellant wife shall file her affidavit in reply on the said date, full stop. Next para, leave is granted to the respondent husband to file any modification application if so intended, comma, in the meantime, and mention the same before the court for being listed along with the present application on the returnable date.
Sir, I'm led by Mr. Amitabh Mukherjee.
Mr. Amitabh
Mukherjee.
Mr. Mukherjee is in court? Yes, give his name also.